Hey there, leaders. Welcome to another insightful session on mastering the art of influence. Ever wondered how to make people follow you without question? How to command respect and loyalty effortlessly? Today, I'm diving into lessons from one of history's most intriguing figures, Nicholo Machiavelli. His insights on power and leadership are timeless. Stick around because you're about to learn how to wield unquestioned authority like a pro. These principles can transform your leadership style. First off, understand this. Machiavelli believed that being feared is more effective than being loved. This doesn't mean you should be a tyrant. Now, I'm not saying you should terrify your team, but establish a firm boundary. Clear boundaries create a sense of security and respect. Show them you mean business and that you're not afraid to enforce discipline. Consistency in your actions reinforces your authority. Think of it as tough love. It's about balancing firmness with fairness. People respect strength and clarity. Next, control the narrative. The story you tell shapes their perception. Machiavelli knew the power of information. He understood that knowledge is power. Keep your team informed, but only about what they need to know. This keeps them focused and prevents unnecessary distractions. Transparency is good, but oversharing can be detrimental. It can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. By strategically releasing information, you maintain control over their perceptions. This helps in guiding their actions and decisions. Remember, the person who controls the narrative controls the group. Your words have power. Use them wisely. Now, let's talk about being decisive. Indecision can be a leader's downfall. Machiavelli valued decisiveness in a leader. He believed that a leader's confidence in their decisions inspires trust. When you make decisions quickly and confidently, people are more likely to follow you without question. They see you as a pillar of strength. Indecision breeds doubt and uncertainty. Be bold. Take charge and lead with conviction. Make choices and stand by them. Your decisiveness will earn you respect and loyalty. Another key lesson is to appear virtuous. Your image is a powerful tool. Machiavelli suggested that appearing to have good qualities is more important than actually having them. Perception is reality. This doesn't mean you should be deceitful, but rather that you should always present yourself in the best possible light. Your image matters. Cultivate it carefully. Lastly, build alliances. Strong alliances are the backbone of effective leadership. Even Machiavelli knew that no leader can stand alone. Collaboration amplifies your influence. Develop strong relationships with key members of your team. These relationships are built on mutual respect and trust. These alliances will help you maintain control and enforce your authority. A united front is a powerful force. When people know they have your backing, they'll follow you without question. Your support empowers them. So there you have it. The timeless principles of Machiavelli can transform your leadership approach. Lead like Machiavelli by being firm, controlling the narrative, making decisions confidently, appearing virtuous, and building alliances. These strategies will set you apart as a leader. Follow these principles and you'll be well on your way to wielding unquestioned authority. Thanks for watching. Your journey to becoming a masterful leader starts now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Until next time, lead with power and purpose. Stay inspired and keep pushing forward.